Gene frequencies, also known as allele frequencies, refer to the relative proportions of different alleles in a population's gene pool. They are typically represented as the frequency or proportion of a particular allele within a population. Gene frequencies can be determined by conducting genetic surveys analyzing genetic data from individuals within a population, or through direct observation in laboratory settings. The frequencies of alleles are important in population genetics because they provide information about the genetic diversity and structure of populations, as well as insights into evolutionary processes. Gene frequencies are usually expressed as a decimal fraction between 0 and 1 or as a percentage. For example, if a population has two alleles for a particular gene, capital A and small a, and the frequency of the capital A allele is 0.6 or 60%, and the frequency of the small a allele is 0.4 or 40%, it indicates that the capital A allele is more common in the population than the small a allele. It is worth noting that gene frequencies can change over time due to various evolutionary forces, such as natural selection, genetic drift, mutation, migration, and non-random mating. These forces can alter the proportions of alleles within a population, leading to changes in gene frequencies and influencing the genetic makeup of subsequent generations. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.